Here it says find the sum of the following series till infinite number of terms. Okay, let's have a look at the series. So looking at the series, no pattern comes to our mind, but the point is here I have 16, here I had 4, here again I had 4. So what can I do with that? The point is, if this is 16, this is 4, there must be 8 to make a pattern kind of thing. So this should have been 8. So let's try to make it 8. If it is 8, this should have been 14. Does it follow? Yes, 4, 8, 16 is a pattern. 11 plus 3, 14 plus 3, 17 is a pattern. But in that case, before 4, we should have a 2. So if we need a 2 over here, the numerator should be 8. That also follows because 8 plus 3 is also 11. So basically, you can write it as 5 by 1 plus 8 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 14 by 8 plus 17 by 16, so on and so forth. And this is called an AGP series. Why AGP? Numerators are in AP, denominators are in GP. I'm sure all of you know there is a specific way of solving these questions. What is the method? First of all, multiply it by the common ratio. The common ratio is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2s is 5 by 2 plus 8 by 4 plus 11 by 8 plus 14 by 16 plus 17 by 32, and it goes on up to infinity. Now subtract the second equation from first. S minus 1 by 2s is again 1 by 2s. This is equal to, now subtract them in a way that like terms are subtracted. That means 8 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is 3 by 2. 11 by 4 minus 8 by 4 is 3 by 4. If 14 by 8 minus 11 by 8 is 3 by 8. And so on and so forth. It goes on up to infinity. This becomes an infinite GP. The sum of an infinite GP is A, which is 3 by 2 upon 1 minus R. R is 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2, this becomes 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 or 3. So ultimately 1 by 2s is 5 plus 3, that is 8. So s is 8 into 2, which is 16. So C option 16 is the right answer for us. Also in this question, you could have got a little bit of idea about the things if I tell you. I mean, of course, this is one solution which can be used, but during the exam time, you can do a little bit faster than that. How? 5 plus 4 is already 9. So how can answer be 4 or 8? The sum has already become 9. So 4 and 8 are anyways impossible. After this 9, I have 11 by 4. 11 by 4 is close to 3.75, that is 12.75. Then 7 by 4, which is another 1.75, which is 14.5. Then 17 by 16 is approximately 1, which is 15.5. And after that, it will be less than 1. So it will be decreasing at such a high pace because next term is going to be 20 by 32. Next is going to be 23 by 64. So the terms would be so small that it would only be adding up to 16. It would never be going above 16. So therefore, 32 becomes the right, 16 becomes the right answer for us, right? So C16 is the correct answer.